So hello and welcome back to part 3. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. We're getting burners there, CPA offers, we get content already. Okay, and in this tutorial what we're gonna do, we're gonna kinda tidy up the, remove this image. We go here, remove this one here as well. And we're gonna add our RSS feed so people can subscribe to the RSS feeds, and I will explain as we go along. Okay, so the first step is you may want to keep this image for later. I will show you something that you can do really cool with the image. So what we're gonna do is, downsize this window, click, drag, so click and hold, drag and drop on your desktop. So the image is now saved there for later. It is the image for us to use later. Okay, now let's remove this image. Now we can remove it, so by going to your dashboard again, it's still on the team options. In this case will be the name of the team and the options, and we're gonna remove this one at the top here, so delete that. We gotta untick this box, so what this does, removes the image and removes this one from here. So now if I click sorry, didn't save, did I? So I have to save it first. It does help. So save, and now if I go back here and refresh the page, should now go the name showing that. Now as you can see, the title is a bit too big, so I'm gonna change this title, and the pictures, the flashing pictures that we had here, will disappear from there. Okay, it's quite distracting having those flashing pictures on the middle. What you really want to have here is adverts, but I will show you that later on in another video. So let's short this title here little bit, and we'll do that by going to general, under settings, general, and let's just have maybe lose weight, because actually is our title and part of our keyword, and save. Okay, let's go back here, let's refresh, and that looks better. Okay, much tighter. Okay, so the next step, what we're gonna do now is add our RSS feeds, because if you click here, you see you get a bunch of code because it's not active yet. So basically all you need to do is go to Google. So what I'm using here, I'm pretty new to this one as well, FeedBurner, but it's pretty, I heard it's pretty good. I've seen some people showing some good results, and I also started to use it. As you know, I'm used to use the one from Excite Pro and building my own there, but it's not too hard. So basically, yes, you need to have a Gmail account, and for Google AdSense you need to have a Gmail account, and then to become Google affiliate you need to have a Gmail account as well, because Google tracks your activity in AdSense first, and then if you behave and your clicks are clean, then sometime later on you can apply for Google affiliates, which pays you much more per click than AdSense. But that means you have to earn it. You have to be, it's not something that you just get it. You still need to be able to get it. Okay, so let's go to FeedBurner. So basically you need to be logging into your Google account on Gmail. Go to Google account settings, and we're gonna look here for the FeedBurner, which is owned by Google. And now here, what I need to do here, so this is what you see. They got a new version, which is the new version, so I don't know how to use the new one. The old one, forget about using the new one yet. But it's some things that we pick up, and I think we could share some ideas as well on the club forum about this, what results you're getting using this as well. So I'm just gonna go to the old one here for now. I'm gonna do here, back to the blog, and I'm just gonna pick my domain there, copy that, back to the FeedBurner and paste that here. I am a broadcaster, and click next. Now it says it found two, so one of the autumn feed is one that comes as default with the software once I installed it the first time, but we're gonna go as it is, as it works anyway. So click next, And then basically, you know, like I said, you know, if we read actually what the through the setup what's been said, it should be pretty easy to work this out. Okay, so here is my feed address, so I'm gonna copy this one here. Again, magic tool, put it there, and now I'm sliding this here to the other screen and click next. So what it's gonna do is gonna activate it, and it should give me another address, which is this one. So now we want to copy all this address because we're going to need this address again. Let's copy that and put it there. So basically I'm just keeping that one there in case I'll be in need of using it. Okay, next. So here is category, so let's pick here health because that's what is. So image location, so this one I will show you later. What is, you can add your logo from your website. So at the moment we don't have logo there, so we don't want to add anything here yet, so we add it later. So at the moment we just want to set up the RSS feed. Content no, copyright message, that's fine, that's fine. We go next. We can always read this again later. Yes, we're gonna track that one. So basically you want to read as you go through the steps, okay? And I'm gonna, that's it, I'm gonna tick it all and click next. So once you set this up, make sure you just pretty much track that. No, so that is now set up, and you know, so on WordPress, self-hosted WordPress, use this plugin to help. So because in my case ours, and you know, if you installed by us, will be self-hosted, so we're just gonna go with the self-hosted here, and then Google tells you all this stuff here that is good to read, so you know what this is about, and basically it tells us to download the plugin. Now the plugin has been downloaded. I got a plugin here, and basically all I gotta do, I just gonna click and drag and drop in my other screen here. So basically you just can drag that to your desktop. If you're using Firefox or different system, then you need to know where you're putting the download for that plugin, okay, because we have to install this on WordPress. Okay, so let's do that. So back to our back panel here. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna go to editor. So under appearance, we're gonna go to editor, and we're gonna look for the sidebar on the right, which is this one here. And now here, the one we need to look here, you can see the RSS box, which is the one that shows up the top. Okay, and again, if you remember earlier on, once we did in the previous video, once we did for the affiliate links, exactly the same thing. I want to paste my feed builder link here. Okay, so if I copy this here, and right here on the reference from here to there, between commas, paste, like here, update file. Now if I go back, refresh the page, just gonna test it and see if it works. It doesn't work, so it's done it wrong, that one. So we need to go back here now, so we go back to the final, and okay, so that's the first one, we just replace it, and now we have to replace the second one, which is below. You can see again age reference here, and then basically put your feed banner there, link there as well, just like, you know, exactly the same thing, just copy from and put it there. So as you see, is one up the top, is one up the bottom, and I need to do is just update file, and now we go back here, refresh, and if you click subscribe, there it goes. Now it's working, so the feed is now working. So people click on it, then they come here and they can subscribe. You know, if they go a Gmail account, they just click Gmail, and then they are now, you know, add to Google homepage, add to Google Reader, so they can choose whatever they wanna subscribe with. Then basically once you go back to your feed burner, I now need to go back from here. Okay, and if you go back to home page and refresh here, there is my new feed. Okay, so this is how we add the RSS feed to your blog. Okay, go with the time, you know, let's do the Twitter as well, because this Twitter is the default one here. So basically you just need to go to your profile on Twitter if you got a Twitter account, and copy your Twitter name, which is this one up the top here. Copy that, go back here. Now you're going back to the theme options and scroll down here. There is where your Twitter is gonna go. Paste down there. That's done, and we save. Now if we go back to the blog, and click follow me, there it goes. Now connected as well. So there it goes. So that is how you do your RSS feed and Twitter. These two are important because if you got Facebook and it's all connected with Twitter, you know, once you tweet it goes everywhere to Google, but everywhere. So there it is. So this is it for this video. That is how to add your RSS feed, remove the image, remove the top image there, and it's pretty much for this video. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Zanun. Bye bye for now. Please comment, rate and subscribe.